Saturn's gorgeous rings. It makes the planet beautiful. And someday, Saturn might eat those rings. But for now, it looks gorgeous. But what if it was not just Saturn? What if Earth had rings too? But first, how can we make those rings? So to form the rings, two planets has to collide. And let's say Mars and Earth has to get a fight. It will make rings. Debris will fall out of both of the planets, and then they'll form rings. The debris. So, yeah, and also it actually happened before in Earth's history. 4 billion years ago, a planet named Theia collided with Earth. It formed the moon. But let's assume that Earth had rings, and not earrings. Also, the Earth's rings mean no moon, and the moon holds tides on Earth, so it will make tides get everywhere. Get off the beach quickly! And if I mean tides, I mean any natural disaster. Every kind of natural disaster will destroy the Earth. The night will become way darker. Well, obviously because, there's no moon. And the most shiniest things are rings and then Venus, which is also really, really not that bright compared to our moon. Earth has a pretty strong magnetic field, which protects us from asteroids and stuff. With the Earth's rings, it might disturb the magnetic field a bit. And that means a little less protection from asteroids and stuff. Well, be prepared because there'll be less oxygen to breathe. What does rings have when related to oxygen? Well, the rings will block the sunlight, and trees need sunlight. And without that, trees can't photosynthesize. And that gives out oxygen. Photosynthesize means giving out oxygen from trees. And it'll not just be cold. Not just be dark. It'll be cold too, under the shadow of the ring. And remember earlier I told about the magnetic field? Well, then no internet, and your car wouldn't be going that well. And yeah, be prepared. No more TV or iPhones left. We need to find a new way if we want the internet to still be there and want to watch any Getting Brain videos then. And yeah, you can't call from Skype or Messenger.